Saturday, guys, game day. S2N is ready. We are on our way to the field, hangar 37. We have our good friend Jeffrey over here. We are on our way, guys. Super excited. Yesterday we went to Decathlon, it's a sports shop, to buy some things that we needed for the field, because the field is really not that good, but I hope with the equipment that we bought we can advance a little bit more. And yeah, the team is ready. We are hyped. We cannot wait for the first game to start. So let's see what's gonna happen.
Once you cross this world and into that unconscious state,
Okay, let's go, let's go.
vividly be present in closer
Weasel, hey, roll it.
you go.
We are with the entire group, and also with the guys of Cat, who is again paying for the food.
Second time, yeah.
I think it's like a sugar daddy feeling that we have.
New sponsor.
Yeah. New sponsor.
Canary Islands, edition number 1, second to none.
Hey, allemaal samen. We hebben gewonnen als groep, we hebben geamuseerd en we hebben alles gegeven. Oké, let's go. S2N! We are back home in Charleroi. We landed in Charleroi. I have to go to the Netherlands as well. And then we have Hilke. He's 100% Dutch. Hilke, where do you have to go?
Purmerend, so it's a 4-hour drive from now.
4-hour drive. Woo! We have a 2-hour drive. But Canary Island was a good one. I know that the refs had to take a lot of BBs, a lot of impacts, had to stand for many hours on the field, and of course the good weather. And we are just back. See you guys in the next.